What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BDO salary loan for teachers. Pag-uusapan natin guys kung magkano nga ba yung interest rates at saka kung paano kayo mag-avail ng salary loan sa BDO Network Bank kung ikaw ay isang teacher. At the same time, magkano yung interest rates at saka gaano nyo siya katagal pwedeng bayaran, and of course, yung application requirements, lahat-lahat ng kailangan nyong malaman kapag balak nyo mag-file ng salary loan sa BDO Network Bank. Pero bago yun, guys, muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, BDO Network Bank offers a specialized teacher's loan with a 7.5% per annum interest rate and repayment terms up to 5 years or 60 months. So as you can see guys, BDO Network Bank yung nag-o-offer nun. Si BDO Unibank is hindi po sila nag-o-offer ng salary loan for teachers. It is designed for teachers kasi so BDO Network Bank yun. Since BDO Network Bank is located sa mga rural areas, especially sa mga remote areas, like for example sa mga bundok-bundok, ganyan. Parang nare-reach nila yung mga communities na hindi naaabot ng main branch or ng mother branch, which is yung BDO Unibank. Kasi si BDO Network Bank, guys, is subsidiary siya ni BDO Unibank. Pero, most of the time, halos parehas lang din naman sila since parehas sila pinapatakbo ni BDO. So, as you can see, guys, dito, 7.5% per annum yung interest rate niya. Para sa mga teacher to guys ha, parang exclusive offer ito sa mga teachers. Kung ikaw ay isang teacher, sa DepEd ka nag-work, so qualified ka dito. Then, pwede nyo siya bayaran hanggang 5 years or 60 months. Designed for Department of Education, DepEd personnel. So, ibig sabihin mga tauhan ni DepEd since personnel siya. This salary loan allows borrowing for education, business, or household needs. Requirements include payslips, IDs, and an appointment letter. So, of course, kasi magpo-file kayo, so, yun, kailangan na kailangan yung appointment letter. Key features of the BDO Network Bank Teacher's Loan. Interest rate. So, magkano nga ba yung interest rate ng salary loan for teachers sa BDO Network Bank? Interest rate is 7.5% per annum, diminishing rate. So, ibig sabihin, may designated monthly amortization siya. So mamaya, i-share ko sa inyo guys kung magkano nga ba hanggang magkano yung pwede nyong ma-loan sa BDO Network Bank kung ikaw ay isang teacher. Long term, so gaano siya katagal pwedeng bayaran? It is up to 5 years or 60 months. Loan amount is up to 1 million pesos for eligible teachers. So yung maximum amount guys na pwede nyong ma-loan sa BDO Network Bank as salary loan if you are a teacher is up to 1 million pesos. Target market, primarily for DepEd employees with automatic payroll deduction. So, kung ikaw, yung payroll deduction, yung payroll mo is pwedeng applyan ng automatic deduction, so qualified na qualified kayo dito. Since automatic ito guys, i-debit or babawasan yung sahod ninyo kapag ikaw ay isang teacher, so yung marireceive mo na lang is bawas na kapag may loan kayo sa BDO Network Bank. Of course, may contract yan na mag-agree kayo na ganun yung mangyayari. Eligibility must be a Filipino citizen and not more than 64 to 70 years old upon loan maturity. So as you can see dito guys, is yung eligibility niya is dapat Filipino citizens ka of course. Dapat hindi ka lalagpas ng 64 to 70 years old kapag yung loan mo ay matatapos na. So like for example, balak mo mag-loan na ikaw ay 60 years old pa lang. Tapos, yung magiging terms to pay nyo, I mean kung gaano siya katagal is 5 years, katagal bayaran, 5 years. So, 60 years old ka ngayon, magmamaturity yan, 65 years old ka. So, meaning, hindi ma-approve yung loan application nyo sa BDO Network Bank as salary loan application. Application requirements. So, ngayon, pag-uusapan natin guys, yung application requirements if you are planning to apply for salary loan sa BDO Network Bank. Accomplished loan application form. So, unang-una is yung application form. Kailangan na-fill out nyo yun, then submit nyo siya ngayon sa BDO Network Bank. Then, yung latest original payslips. Kailangan yun as proof of your source of income, of course, or proof of income. Kasi maglo-loan kayo, so kailangan mapapatunayan ninyo na kaya nyong bayaran yung monthly amortization ng ilo-loan ninyo. Then, latest 1x1 ID picture. So, alam niyo naman siguro yung 1x1, no? Siguro aware naman kayo doon. Then yun, let's talk about the amortization factor rates. So, ano nga ba ibig sabihin ng factor rates, guys? Kung magkano yung ilo-loan nyo, i-multiply siya ngayon dito sa amount na nakikita nyo, then yun yung magiging monthly amortization ninyo. So, as you can see dito, guys, yung factor rates is para sa 24 months, kung balak mo 2 years lang yung ilo-loan nyo sa BDO Network Bank, halimbawa, 100,000 yung ilo-loan ninyo. So, times 22.22242, so yung magiging result niyan is yun yung magiging monthly amortization or monthly payment ninyo sa ilo-loan ninyong 100,000 sa BDO Network Bank kapag 24. Ganon din guys, kung 36 months, i-multiply nyo lang siya. Sa nakikita nyo na yan, 32.14791. So yung magiging result niyan, sa loob ng 3 taon or 36 months, yung result ng 100,000 times 32.14791, yun yung magiging monthly amortization ninyo. Same din kung 48 months or 60 months. Yun yung ibig sabihin ng factor rates kapag nag-loan kayo sa BDO Network Bank as a teacher or salary loan. Note, monthly amortization equals, ayan, nakikita nyo naman, loan amount times factor rate. So as you can see sa baba, ito yung note. So kung tulad na sabi ko kanina, kung magkano yung ilo-loan ninyo, i-multiply nyo lang. Kung 24 months nyo siya gusto bayaran, multiply nyo siya sa 22.22242. So yung result, yung magiging monthly amortization ninyo. Pang-apat is photocopy of 2 valid government IDs. So kailangan may signature or sign para at least proof na sa inyo talaga yon. Then 5 is photocopy of appointment letter of service record. So yung appointment letter is kailangan yon. Then how to apply? Paano nga ba mag-apply guys ng salary loan sa BDO Network Bank if you are a teacher? You can visit the nearest BDO Network Bank branch to submit requirements or reach out to them via the BDO Network Bank PH Facebook page for assistance from an account officer. So, kung gusto niyo malaman guys kung paano, pwede niyo i-chat yung BDO Network Bank PH sa Facebook page for assistance from an account officer. So yun guys, so ulitin ko lang kung magkano yung pwede nyo ma-loan sa BDO Network Bank sa BDO Network Bank Salary Loan for Teachers up to 1 million guys. Yung maximum amount which is for eligible teachers. So ibig sabihin, subject to approval, kailangan pa rin i-evaluate ni BDO Network Bank kung ikaw ba ay qualified as a teacher na mag-loan ng 1 million. Pero most of the time guys, pwede na yung 500,000, 300,000, depende siya. Kasi step by step yan eh. Parang kailangan mo muna mag-start sa simula, sa maliit, tapos hanggang sa malaking amount. Tapos ngayon, kung katagalan mo na naglo-loan ka sa BDO Network Bank, tapos nababayaran mo ng maayos, yung maliit na amount na yun, lalaki at lalaki yun. Pataas ng pataas yung pwede nyong ma-loan. Ganun yun. Kaya nakalagay is up to 1 million for eligible teachers. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!